What's going on, y'all? I know there wasn't no intro because it was storming this morning or earlier this evening, and we decided we were going to go hunting, so it's kind of like a rush kind of thing, and we literally got in here like an hour and 30 minutes before dark. But was that an interesting hunt or what? Old Steve, he done smoked one, so we're going to try to go find it. Once we get that thing loaded up, we'll break down how that exciting hunt went. You done smoked your old nanny?
Mm-hmm.
Got some more blood on the tree.
I never found my arrow. First, I didn't think it was. Hell yeah.
Just found my arrow.
Good
That's
God.
a good one.
Oh yeah. The whole ram cat.
Yeah, she's bleeding out, boy.
I wasn't sure how big she was.
Yeah,
Look, I got a Snapchat, so I got on there. And as soon as I got done with it, she's just standing under the stand. And walked all the way up to the base of the tree. And I'm like, at least 30 foot up there. I don't know what, but she just does this. Looks straight up at me, runs around, comes up here, and then I tried to stop her. I was like, "Meh," and she like bumped, and then came more this way, and then walked right out there in the opening. And I didn't want to stop her again, so I just shot it.
So how far was the distance?
20 yards.
Oh, nice.
Oh.
Oh yeah. Blood right there. Blood right there. Blood right there. Right there.
Yeah, whenever she looked up at me, I could tell she's not like a monster, but she's about the size of that one long neck shot last year. She's probably like 115 pounds.
Dude, this is just take the blood cells, everything you want to see in it.
Yeah.
You wouldn't even have to.
Here's more. Looks like she's cutting this one.
Good God. Of course. I was so pumped up when I seen her standing there.
She must have been getting it.
Good God, yeah. I've never seen her after I shot. Are you on blood, Antonio?
I think so. Is that blood right there?
Alright.
Right there?
Yeah. Blood out there. Blood out there.
There's blood.
Yep, she's cutting the wound. That's when she kicked up some shit.
Here we go. I got blood right here. Or is this going backwards? Oh yeah, she bleeding out.
That was her last good blood right there.
Here she is.
I know I smelled it.
We have literally been standing 20 feet from her, lost on the blood trail, and she was right here behind us the whole time.
Steve,
For an hour.
Is this the side?
For an hour.
Is this the side you shot on, or is this your exit?
That's it.
A little high, but
Yeah, but you gotta think I was 30 foot up in the tree.
yeah.
Beautiful shot, homie.
Appreciate it.
Got him. And the real fun part begins. The old victory walk.